Hello, you wanna see how I achieve this Ogbono soup with bitter leaf? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm cooking Ogbono with bitter leaf. So yeah, I have minced meat, cowleg, sharki, abodi. So I'll add it. I added one seasoning, minced onion, salt, powdered onion, pepper, crayfish. So I'll cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So yes, after 10 minutes I added water from the kettle. I'll give it a good stir. And I'll cover and cook it until it is soft and tender. So I came to check on it, it is well cooked. So I added my overnight soaked stockfish. I added hot water from the kettle. I gave it a good mix. So I'll cover and cook it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I gave it a good stir and I added my ogbono. I microwaved my palm oil. I added it inside my ogbono and I mixed it together. So now I'm going to mix it very well. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family. If you can share my videos out. Also check my channel, you might find videos that can be helpful to you. So I added more water and I gave it a good mix. So I'll allow it to cook. So yeah, you see the oil floating. When your ogbono is floating like that, you know it's cooked. So I added my dried fish, my crayfish. Now I'm adding my bitter leaf. So I'm going to stir and give it a good stir. So next I'll be adding my scadfish and my mackerel fish. So I'll give it a good mix. I tasted for salt. It needed salt, so I added salt. So I will mix again. So now I'm going to allow it to cook for some time. So at this point, our soup is ready. Thank you for watching.